Yo, what's up, Bangladesh? We all love a good deal, right? Scrolling through our phones, finding that perfect item. Online shopping is the bomb. It's like having a giant mall right in your pocket. No crowds, no hassle, just pure shopping bliss. Remember the days when we had to physically go to stores? Standing in line, dealing with traffic? The worst. Thankfully, those days are long gone. Now we can shop from anywhere, anytime. All we need is an internet connection and our trusty phones. But hey, with so many online stores out there, choosing the right one can be tough. You want variety, affordability, and trustworthiness. That's where AliExpress swoops in like a shopping superhero. Get ready to dive into a world of awesome products at unbelievable prices. AliExpress is like a giant online marketplace. Think of it as a global bazaar where you can find almost anything your heart desires. Clothes, gadgets, home decor, you name it, they've got it. But what makes AliExpress perfect for us in Bangladesh? First off, the prices are insanely low. Seriously, you'll be amazed at how much you can save. Plus, they have a huge selection of products, so you're guaranteed to find exactly what you're looking for. Another great thing about AliExpress is that they offer buyer protection. So, if your order doesn't arrive or arrives damaged, you can get your money back. No worries, they've got your back, buddy. Ready to start shopping? It's super easy. First things first, head over to the AliExpress website or download their app. Create an account. It's free and only takes a minute. Now, the fun begins. Browse through their categories or search for something specific. Found something you like? Click on the product to see more details. Check out the reviews. Other buyers' experiences can tell you a lot about the product and the seller. Once you're happy, select your size, color, quantity, and anything else. Add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. Fill in your shipping address and choose a payment method. Don't worry, they offer various options, including local payment methods for Bangladesh. Double check everything and click that place order button. Boom, you did it! Section 4, fun facts about AliExpress. You won't believe it. Did you know that AliExpress has over 100 million products? That's insane. It's like a never-ending shopping mall. They have over 200,000 sellers from all around the world. Talk about a global village. Every day, millions of people shop on AliExpress. It's one of the most visited e-commerce websites globally. They even have a dedicated team that ensures product quality and buyer satisfaction. They've got your back. Section 5, Bangladeshi shoppers' secrets, tips, and tricks. Here are some insider tips for my fellow Bangladeshis to make your AliExpress experience even better. 1. Use the Ship to Bangladesh filter to see products that can be delivered directly to you. 2. Look for sellers with high ratings and positive reviews. This shows they're trustworthy. 3. Contact the seller directly if you have any questions about the product or shipping. 4. Keep an eye out for sales and discounts. AliExpress always has amazing deals going on. 5. Be patient. Shipping from AliExpress can take a little longer than usual, but trust me, the wait is worth it. So there you have it, guys. AliExpress is a game changer for online shopping in Bangladesh. With its massive selection, unbeatable prices, and buyer protection, what's not to love? So go ahead, unleash your inner shopaholic and experience the magic of AliExpress. Happy shopping, Bangladesh!